Today is a huge day. 10 years ago, on this very day, we opened our little Crumbs Doilies shop here in Soho in Carnaby. And wow, what a 10 years it's been. I can't believe it's been 10 years, it's gone like this. I've met so many of you wonderful people coming to visit. You've eaten our cakes, you've shared stories with us, we've hugged, we've kissed. Well, not with tongues. But anyway, we're here to celebrate the 10 years of Crumbs Doilies shop. And we're going to be doing that in style with serving a humongous cake. How else are we going to serve it? So we need to get icing. There's lots of stuff to do. Come in. Well, back at Wandsworth HQ, the team there have been busy baking, making icing, layering up this massive cake, crumb coating it, and then we've brought it all here to finish it off. The guys in this tiny little kitchen have been busy getting everything ready for just a regular busy shop day. So it's all go, go, go. So I'm going to go downstairs and help ice the cake. Oh, hi. Tired from working so hard last night?
I have to say, it actually wasn't as hard as we thought it would be.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
So, Sally, what flavour have we got here?
So we've just gone for salted caramel and chocolate because it's a bit of a Crumbs classic. Like we've always done that. We used to sell these cakes here, like not this big, obviously.
We wouldn't have anyway.
No, exactly. Back in the day, we used to do just single ones, didn't we? And
yeah,
just sell them by the slice. So it was quite fun to bring it back. And yeah, so we've got 2 layers of caramel and 2 layers of our classic chocolate sponge, and then it's got some caramel buttercream, and then we've put these like channels of caramel going all the way through it, so that when you cut it, you get that little, I always do this, little ooze of salted caramel coming out at the end. Yeah, and now me and Emma are just starting to get the icing on it. Obviously, it's going to look nicer than this. I think we've done a great job.
This is some of your best work.
I know, it's great, isn't it?
Right, well look, I've got my apron on.
Yeah, perfect.
Give me a tug bag, let's get stuck in.
So we're icing it with the Swiss meringue, which is everyone's favourite, buttercream, and we put sprinkles in it because it's a birthday cake, right? Who has a birthday without sprinkles?
Not me.
I don't know, I'm saying this to myself, but don't you think it's quite easy? Like, quite satisfying to ice one long piece of
really
cake?
fun.
It's really
We did
fun.
joke about getting some roller skates and maybe just like wheeling along, but hindsight, this is much easier.
If no one comes, we'll just have an eating challenge and see how much of this we can eat. I'm going with not a lot. So now we're going to add the classic band, although I think in the bakery they call it a skirt.
Yeah.
They call it a skirt, which is pretty cute. We're going to do a little pink band skirt all the way around this massive cake. So Emma's going to pipe it on, I'm going to spread, and Gemma's going to smooth.
How magnificent is that? It's amazing. Definitely the biggest cake we've ever made and a massive team effort. All the guys back at HQ and here. I think it looks fantastic. I can't wait to start sharing out, although I'm a bit worried about the mess.
I just want to make sure that I get a little bit of
Oh
tea,
yeah.
right? Surely.
Anyway, we're super excited to share this out with everyone who's coming to the shop today. And if you are not making it, I'm sorry. I hope you make it to the shop one day. And if you're one of our customers who have been over the years, thank you so, so much from the bottom of our hearts for always coming and buying our stuff and just bringing smiles in. And we absolutely love you. We're so grateful to all our customers. So thank you. And it's just such an amazing milestone. 10 years. Yeah. Happy birthday!
Yay.
Woo!
Here's to the next 10, right?
I guess so.
How big's the next one going to be?
Let's get this door open.
Cool.